Hello, so I am here. I'm going to attempt to put together some flowers that I got from Trader Joe's into an arrangement. I have no idea what I'm doing, but it's fun and I love doing it. And yeah, I just picked up some flowers that were kind of moody and vibey, and this is what I got. These. Some greens. And some nice dark roses, red roses. Yeah, let's see how this turns out. No idea what I'm doing, but it'll be fun. Well, I finished. It was a ton of fun. I think it looks great. I just kept trying to fill in different spots. And yeah, it turns out great, and this will hold me over to have some fresh flowers in the house until my garden is in bloom. And these were just cheap Trader Joe flowers just to get me through. And I think it turned out pretty. Bye!